Hey guys, today we got a ARE fiberglass TW series. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. It's white in color. It's in decent shape. It has some issues on the paint finish and stuff. Mostly looks pretty good down through here. The top edge look good. Has like stone chips. There's like stone chips here and there. It's obviously had a lot of miles on this truck. This cap. Just stone chips from being just on the road. You can see along through here just a lot of stone chips. Probably from driving in the highways in the wintertime from salt and stuff. Sand. Bottom edge looks decent. You can kind of see the sporadic stone chips through the paint. Bottom edge is pretty good. One small chip at the bottom edge right there. And then it looks like you got another one right there, but really not too bad. It does have the half side sliders on the side. Front is a picture window. See the stone chips right there again. That front edge there. And really, that's probably almost the worst of the paint issues, is just the multiple stone chips everywhere. Yeah, little chip right there in the paint. This side has a half side slider on it as well. Got some stone at the top and the top edge, just the same as the other side, just stone chips sporadically through the top. Back and the back edge, same thing, just kind of sporadic stone chips. Bottom edge looks good. No damage on the bottom edge that I can see on this side. I have a small chip right there on the corner. A little bit of paint chip on the window there. The biggest problem with this one here is the scratch on the paint right there. That's probably the worst of the paint damage on this, is that scratch right there. The back has a homemade panel over the door. The glass has been broken out, it looks like, and it looks like the person who owned this didn't want people to see in to the truck, and then took a piece of plywood, put it over the door, wrapped it in vinyl, white vinyl, and then attached it to the door frame. It works. Seems to keep the weather out. The reason I think that he's worried about people seeing in here is because they've got the big panel on here that was made to cover up the door, and the windows are super dark tinted. They've double tinted these so you can't see in. So I'm not sure what they were hauling in here. These windows have scratches in the tint from hauling stuff in them, but screens were taken out so they could tint them, and they put the darkest tints in there to try to keep people from seeing in here. Serial number was built specifically for a 16 Ford F-150 Super Cab with a 7.5 foot bed. So it fits 15 to 20 F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Looks like they had a latch here, probably for a lock. A couple screws in here, so I'm not really sure what they had in here. But like I said, it looks to be they were worried about somebody getting in and somebody seeing, so they had latches and locks put on it to attach to the truck. There it is, the ARE TW series. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. YZ white in color. Doesn't look bad. The back door is the biggest issue, but I mean, good looking unit other than that. You could probably put a piece of glass in it, or plexiglass if you wanted to, if you wanted to be able to see in it, or just leave it the way it is. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. They can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for like cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, those can all be purchased on our website as well. Also, if you're looking for something specific for your truck and you want to keep up to date on what's coming in, subscribe below. We upload to YouTube and to our website as soon as we get product in. Here to we'll upload to our site and to YouTube as soon as we, I just said that, to get this product in, and so you can keep up to date. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.